In this video, you will learn how to calculate the percentage increase or decrease in value. Currently, you can see here I have the data about the old and new prices. And here you can see here old price was 110 and new price was 165. And there is a 50% increase in values. Currently, you can see here I have inserted positive sign here and here negative sign is inserted. Positive sign indicates that the value is increase and negative sign increase the value is decrease. For example, old price was 130 and new price is 110 and there is a 15% decrease in value. So let's learn how to calculate the percentage increase or decrease in value in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, choose any cell where you want to display the result. I will click here. After that, put equal sign. Select this one new price divided by old price minus 1. You can see here, firstly I have selected new price divided by old price minus 1. After that, simply press enter. Now you can see here there is a 50% increase in value. Now you don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Simply select the cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner. Now here you can observe that plus sign appeared. Drag it down to apply this formula for remaining rows. Now you can see here Excel has automatically applied this formula for remaining rows. You don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Now you can see here is a 15% decrease in value, here is a 62% increase in value. So by using this formula, you can easily calculate percentage increase or decrease in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.